fact, I got a quick scripture for you.
Like this guy, Antioch, talking about he's a Christian. Now, he rolled up on the brothers in Detroit. I don't need to talk to him, but he talking shit about him. Now, if I ran into him, I would say, you Israelite. No, I'm not an Israelite. I said, are you a Christian? He said, yeah, I'm a Christian. I said, first, I said, you can't be a Christian unless you're an Israelite first. That's the qualification in being a Christian.
That's right.
It's just like you joining a women's basketball team in high school. Can you be a boy and join a women's basketball team?
Nope.
No, because you're not qualified.
Right.
The qualification is to be a woman first.
That's right.
Then we can see how your ass plays. So how the hell are you going to be a Christian, but you ain't an Israelite?
Right.
Only Israelites can be Christians.
That's right.
Yep.
That's the topic right there.
Yes. Good one,
So
too.
vocab, you're not a Christian.
No.
We call these guys Christians. We got to start calling them Antichrist.
Yeah.
That's the new thing. When we talk about these Christians, use the term Antichrist.
Yeah.
Anti.
Because they're not Christians.
Yep.
Yeah.